What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be giving you an update on Omega Digital. Now, you all know we were supposed to get an update yesterday. I watched out for it. I even attended their presentation last night, and I did not get an update. I was just about to record a video saying that we did not get an update as expected, but when I logged back into the back office, this is what I saw. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Here is the update. You see it on the screen. Finally, after a month of transitioning to our new model, we are going to be putting a smile on everyone's face. There is finally a new structure for the Omega Digital trading, withdrawals, and posting. You are absolutely going to love it. That's what it says. It's not my words, guys. You see me reading this. This is what they have released to us now about the update. Now, from what I can tell, the update has not been implemented yet. They're just telling us more about the update. Now, we don't have any definite dates in here about when the update is supposed to change. Maybe it's going to change tomorrow on the 1st. I hope so. That'll be great. But I'm going to go over what these updates are right now. You will no longer need to wait a whole month to withdraw like before. You used to have to wait for an open period between the 1st and the 5th of the month, and that is no more. You can now expect withdrawals on the 1st and 15th of every month without any challenges. That's the first update. Here's the second update. With the old vendors, they were typically late with posting the trades. Now, with the new bot process, we are able to have the postings daily into the system without delay or the need to wait for data to be passed on by a given person. That's another update, guys. They're saying that the postings are supposed to be on time, no delays on that. It's going to be posted every single day. Now, here's the third and the last update. You can also expect the most important thing, that the trading will be drastically improved, right? There will also be other enhancements coming that you'll be very excited about. We are looking forward to sharing those with you in the very near future. Stay tuned. So this is the detail. These are the details of the message, right? So no dates. So we don't have a date when this is going to happen. They said in the very near future. I'm hoping maybe this week, maybe tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have something in place. Hopefully we'll get some more information. Hopefully they'll release that so that we can move on with our business. You know, tomorrow is the 1st. So if you had profits or principal that you wanted to withdraw tomorrow, you're supposed to be able to withdraw that, right? It would be great if the bot was up and going tomorrow so people can have something to look at, because I think a lot of people are starting to lose hope with it, right? Especially on the passive side. Passive people that got in and did not want to recruit anyone. They didn't want to do anything with that. They are not earning anything. They didn't earn anything for the entire month of September. And, you know, that has to be frustrating for a passive person, right? So I want you guys to, to keep your eyes open. You can always log in and see if you can see the notices. But just in case you guys are busy or not, I'm going to be logging in. And anytime that I get any information, I am definitely going to update you. I want to bring you the latest and greatest information from this cryptocurrency space, guys. You know, as always, what we're going to do is we're going to invest wisely. We will invest well, but we will only invest what we are willing to lose. And you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.